how many times you get to shoot a spot with your mother and your son? To capture that on tape for a Super Bowl spot is phenomenal. And I'm happy. I really am.
First, I want to say thank you. My name is Pannell. I am the news and culture editor over at the Kitchn. I'm a super huge fan. I'm also a Floridian, so this is like a big moment. You have made a huge impact for Black athletes, athletes in general, and then all the work that you're doing right now, really pushing more Black athletes and Black people to go to HBCUs is incredible. We're very honored to have you push and get more HBCUs out into the limelight. So thank you so much.
Appreciate it. I'm honored to be here with you, my fellow Floridian.
Thank you. You know, we can do what we can. So the first question that I have to ask is that in the past, you've done ads and collaborations.
That guy you see and duck down back there. Never mind that. Don't worry.
Oh, tell him he can pop on in if you want to. It's okay. In the past, you've done ads and collaborations with big food brands such as Pizza Hut and Subway. Why was this particular collaboration with Oikos so important for you?
Well, it's something that I utilize every morning. Jennifer, can you pop over here so they can understand how authentic this is? Just hurry up. Come on. I'm a breakfast eater. I gotta eat breakfast. And if I don't have breakfast, my day does not start. And what sits on my left-hand side when I eat breakfast every morning, Miss Jennifer, who prepares the breakfast for me?
We always have yogurt, fresh fruit, pancakes.
Oikos, not just yogurt. Yes, Oikos. So we have. In my recent travesty, I lost like 35 pounds when I was in the hospital for like almost a month.
Oh, so wow.
I couldn't eat everything. I couldn't enjoy everything because I didn't have a taste for it. But Oikos, I did. And the grams of protein put me where I needed to be. And I'm probably only 7 pounds down now to my original weight. So I'm back. I'm coming back slowly but surely. I'm starting to walk and I'm starting to regain myself and I'm getting stronger.
Yeah, prime time, baby. So
you know, you said that just like I did. You done some homework before we did. Yeah, you sound like one of my kids when you said that. Didn't that sound like Shallow? Yeah, when he said prime time, baby, that sound like Shallow.
I didn't have to really do no research because I'm a legit fan. So, you know, I told my sister that I was interviewing you and the first thing that she said is, must be the money. So,
so that means she has to be anywhere between 45.
Oh, no. Now, I'm going to tell her you said that because she's going to be so offended. My sister's in her 30s, yes.
In the 30s, and she understand must be the money?
Absolutely. Oh. Yep.
Yeah, well, she Googled. I forgot we have Google.
Well, you know, my mom used to play a lot of music when we were younger.
Okay.
Now, you said that you love yogurt. I'm going to be honest with you. I haven't quite found the right yogurt to make me love it as much as you do. So what are your favorite ways to spice up your yogurt to make it more palatable?
I don't need to spice it up. You just got to open it up. You have one on hand. You need to spice it up. You just got to open it up. I mean, you just got to find out what's right for you, what type of flavor is right for you.
What flavor do you suggest I start with?
Strawberry. What you like? What do you like? I ain't gonna
lie, I'm a big strawberry fan. I love a good strawberry cake. I love a good strawberry cupcake. But see, I like a lot of sweets. I think that's why I write about food. That's the one I'm gonna pick up now. Now I'm gonna tell you, if I go to the store and I pick up this strawberry yogurt, and it's like you say, it hit.
I know you're from Florida because you said if I go to the store. See, nobody caught that but me. See, when you said if I go to the store, okay, so that's it. We're good. Hey, we are good.
Like you say it hit me and you're going to have a few problems.
We good.
Okay, all right now.
Go to the store. When you say store, we good.
Now I have to ask, in this Oikos Superbowl ad, you go head to head with your son, Shedeur. Mm-hmm. And I know you probably can't tell me who won.
No, I can tell you who won, but you know, how many times you get to shoot a spot with your mother and your son? And it's real. I mean, talking about the stronger and who's strongest and the whole spot is entitled Stronger. To capture that on tape for a Super Bowl spot is phenomenal. And I'm happy. I really am.
I honestly cannot wait to see it. So my last question that I do have for you is that plenty of celebrities are tapping into the food industry through alcohol brands, ice cream. People are even buying out franchises. Do you think we'll get something like that from you or even get a cookbook at some point?
I don't think it'll be a cookbook first of all, it has to be authentic. If it's not authentic from me, it's not going to serve its purpose. I would like to do something that's kind of healthy, but good. You know what I mean? Maybe we could think of something. So we both from Florida. So maybe we could think of something that we could put on the shelves and attract people.
See, that's why I said I got to be on your team. I know everybody's doing a great job behind the scenes too, but it doesn't hurt to have one more person.
First of all, I like your articulation. I like how you grab attention. I like how you seize the moment, and you're good at what you do. If you wasn't, we wouldn't be on the Zoom this long, and I'm having a good time. So we got to think of something. Sam, make it happen.
Now, the last thing I have to tell you, because I know we have to go, but at the end of each of my interviews, my grandmother, she is a well-versed person. She knows a lot of things and loves football. So she told me to verbally tell you that she wanted to express her appreciation and her love for you because she watched you on the Bear Grylls show. And she said that she loved the story that you told about your mom. It really touched her heart. And she also told me to tell you that although she doesn't have any kids that are going to college right now, if she had one, she'd send them exactly where you are because she thinks that you are fantastic.
Tell Grandma thank you. I appreciate it. I love her. I was speaking in tongues on the Bear Grylls. You can't get no brother out there and I see a snake. We start off in a helicopter. Come on now. I'm a brother from Florida, and the helicopter, they have no doors on it for one.
Yeah.
Just drop us off in the middle of nowhere. I don't see nothing. And you know, that 2, what we gonna eat? 3, what we gonna sleep? 4. It just kept going and going and going. Then I see a snake, just happened to see a snake, and you talking about let's get it? Oh no. And then you gotta climb up a mountain. I see the bottom. I threw a rock like that, and I ain't hit nothing hit. Oh no. Y'all didn't tell me this when we did this contract. Nobody told me about none of this. I was hollering for my mama. I was speaking in tongues. I was calling on the Lord. It was all, it was.
Well, my grandma loved it. I just wanted to let you know. And she definitely is a huge fan. So it's going to mean a lot that you said hello to her. She feels like she's a celebrity now.
I'm going to tell you how Florida my grandma is. This last thing, I know we got to go. My grandma is so Florida and so hood that she tried to open up a Lily Dilly store in her crib. My grandma had no business selling suckers and lollipops and push-ups, and I ain't had no business pickle sausages and pickled eggs. I got some of them right in the back.
Pickle pig feet.
That girl, don't you, Jennifer, you heard what she said? Y'all don't understand that. That's how we grew up. My grandma tried to be the stove. I said, Grandma, I'm in the pros. You can't do that. I got you.
And she knows she'll get good customers.
How much you gonna make? I got you. Stop. I had to close my grandma's store down, man. I got the pickled eggs and pickled pig feet right now.
See? Now, I ain't gonna lie, I don't really eat those much, but I'm with your grandma.
You grew up on them. You grew up, they were there. They were part of the culture.
Yep. Thank you so much. This has been amazing. I am so thankful to have the opportunity to sit and chat with you. I know we went over, but thank you to the Oikos team. Thank you to everybody. You guys have been amazing.
God bless you, Keisha.
All right. Have a good day. Hey y'all, it's me, Nikisia again. If you love that interview with Deion Sanders, want to see more hacks, even get more recipes, or check out a few more celebrity interviews, be sure to hit that subscribe button below. See y'all next time.